How to embed videos on Twitter. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to easily embed videos on Twitter. So let's dive right in. First thing first, you need to open up your Twitter. Once you're in the Twitter, you need to find the video that you want to embed. Then you need to simply hold the video until the menu pops up. Now you need to click on post video that has a feather-like icon next to it. Once you have done that, here you can write any catchy caption if you want. You can simply modify the post if you want, and once you have done that, you need to simply tap on post. Now, in order to check the video that you have posted recently, you need to go to your profile icon, and once you have done that, you need to scroll down until you find the video. And there you have it. You have successfully embedded video in Twitter or X app. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.